Game?
Mahirap nga naman ang kumayod.
Evelyn, baka pwede akong makihiram.
Kulang binigay sa akin ni nanay na pera para sa field trip namin.
But when you make it to the top, it's all worth it. Iba talaga kapag boss, hindi siya. Ayan o.
Sorry kung mainit ang ulo ko Order ko yan.
Pareho tayo ng order. Sa'yo na lang yung susunod, ha?
May bastos kasing kumuha ng coffee ko kanina. So tell me, after all these years, bakit ngayon ka lang nag-apply ng trabaho?
Before I had my businesses, it's just didn't work out.
He's gonna screw it up one way or another.
Kaya naisip ko na kailangan ko magtrabaho to gain the proper experience.
And you will be working for Miss Evelyn Vallejo Lontok. EVL. As in letter I na lang.
Evil. Part ba ng job description ko? Magpakit sa boss natin? Good morning, ma'am. As usual, your presence lights up this boardroom.
Hindi ko pwede! Hindi ako mabayag! Ano titingin mo sa akin, ha? Si EVL, what you see is what you get. Yung boss namin is the devil in disguise.
Sabi, Joe.
Shut up.
Being on top is never as easy as it seems.
Evelyn, gusto ko sana magpakasal na tayo.
Kailangan mo na makatapos ng kapatid ko sa college at makaluwag-luwag si kuya sa negosyo niya bago tayo magpakasal.
Lagi na lang ako nasa ibaba ng mga priorities mo.
Maliit pa lang ako, binubuhay ko na kayong lahat! May isa pa sa inyo may nagtanong sa akin kung okay ako, kung ano nararamdaman ko!
Sometimes love
Alam mo, minsan subukan mong lumabas dyan sa comfort zone mo.
can be your greatest success.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'll never go far away from you. Even the sky will tell you that
In love siya.
Tama na, tama na.
Narinig ko yun.
Ever turn your back on people who can make you happy. Pag mahal mo, aminin mo sa sarili mo.
go. I'll never go far away from you.
Mr. Estrella!
Now you know how hard it is to be an employee. Kailangan kumayod. Tumising ng maaga. Magtiis sa biyahe. When you get to the office, you have to face your terror of a boss.
My Lady Boss.
CCTV camera